Johnson here at Brandon Harley-Davidson in Brandon, Florida. Today we have a 2019 Street Glide FLHX. We have here the upgraded Boom GTS system, along with ABS braking as an add-on to as well to this motorcycle. This bike is very beautiful. As you can see, all the chrome accents with the 107 motor, 13-inch Prime Ape bars, internally wired. And these bars, you do not have to change your cables, so you can just put them on. Come down and see me here at Brandon Harley-Davidson. The number here is 813-740-9898. Call, schedule a test ride. Let's take this bad boy out. Merry Christmas.